We are in a hurry. Chasing what we define as happiness. What we believe makes our lives complete, meaningful, and important. The never-ending race to find a holy grail of success. We live in a world of distractions, beeping sounds of social feeds, angry car drivers stuck in afternoon traffic, and television pouring rubbish into our tired brains. Breaking news. Call us now. Make sure you smash that like button. What if someone told you real life is somewhere else? All of the important things you have been after is nothing but an illusion. What if happiness is a calm, sunny morning with someone you love, a cup of hot coffee in this tiny restaurant by the pier, where the owner greets you with a smile? Kids playing in the backyard, dancing and laughing so loud the whole world can hear. What if this is success? Sometimes we all need to stop, take a deeper breath, reality check what is important. Hear from your 5-year-old that you are his best buddy. Drive for hours to reach a destination in the middle of nowhere and just breathe. Inhale the moment when all the noise is gone. Enjoy. Live. Be.